Yeah, hello viewers. I welcome you to my YouTube channel, Jeromekeys Music. Yeah, today I want to show you how you can run your do re mi fa sol la ti do on F sharp with your correct finger. You know, some people do like this. That is not how to do it. So this is the correct finger to run your major scale on F sharp, not all the keys on F sharp. So you go this way. Coming back, you can see you start with this one, which is your do, then the third way, then the fourth mi, then you move like this one play your fa, then second your so, then third your la, then you move this way till you do. That is do re mi fa sol la ti do ti la sol fa mi re do. So that is the correct way to run your major scale on F sharp. That is the correct fingering. So any other fingering is on other keys, but one is on F sharp. This is the correct. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like and share. God bless you.